There we go. Can I get a net? Let me see the net. Here, I'll get it. I'll get it. Are you sure? What's up? Well, it's what I had.
I got mine right there, but this one's a little different.
Oh, he came off. He popped it. He popped it. They're there though. That was right in the center, bro. There, I mean, it's either you get stuck or you're in the, you know what I mean?
Really, no? Big one?
No, you don't feel that big. Maybe a keeper, but I don't think that long. Let's get Mr. Scott on here. He's got a big old shad on, possibly a carpa. I didn't want to get in the water this time today because I need my brother to hook up, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, oh, big tail. Uh-huh.
No, you ain't acting like a striper.
Well, I just striper, I seen his tail, bro. Mm-hmm. Gonna be a good one.
It feels like forever.
I'm gonna pass right by you, so I can, just in case he runs. Sorry, I eat my orange. Oh, you're all the way here. What's up, y'all?
Hey, how you doing?
Doing good on lunch break.
All right. Looks like a nice one.
Yeah, they're in here. Oh yeah, it's a nice size. Oh, the pressure. The pressure is so real. I always say this phrase. I think I've seen this in a movie before. I've seen this in quite a bit of videos. Work them, work them, work them. No, don't torque them. Don't torque them. Just let him torque out there for you. Do a little shake, shake. Make him tired. This is the one I just lost, bro, earlier. So, it's perfect, bro. It's perfect. You got this. It's gonna be a good one. Yee. Oh, where you going, big dog? Oh, there he is. Nice big body. Look like a 30-incher. 29, 30-inch. Maybe possibly 28. Come on. Come on. Come on, big guy.
Almost been in half. Love it.
Woo! Look at that Drago. I can see him right here. He's trying to open that mouth too. There he goes back down. Oh, he's shaking that jaw, buddy. Ooh, come on, give it to me. Give it to me, buddy. Give it to me, buddy. Give it to me. That's a good net job, son. What'd you say about my net? Good one.
I don't know where to put it down, huh? Just put it in the dirt.
You want me to hold it? Oh, I'll say I'll hold it. Go ahead. Oh, you little sucker. What you got, bro?
30 and a half.
Woo! Possibly a 10-pounder right here.
Ah.
It's gonna be real close.
Nope.
What you got? 8?
8.
That's a good one though.
8.2.
California Aqueduct, man.
8.2. All that time, you tapped.
I give you a break, dog. Oh, this guy's running good. It's gonna be a good one.
Well, I don't know if I got my cats on it. He's gonna get yours.
How do you guys do this? It's magic. Oh, this is a good runner. It's gonna be another good one.
Yeah.
Maybe I caught his big brother or his mama.
You caught his little sister.
This one's going across, bro.
That's not a good sign.
This one's going across. Woo! All the way down here, dog. Look at this. Oh. God dang it. I don't want to run under that bridge. If I have to, it's going to happen. Sorry, you guys. God dang it. Gotta watch these rocks. I don't want to slip like a duck.
That line next to you. It's up by your head.
All right. Oh, we got a lot of lines coming up. I got a lot of lines coming up to me.
Oh yeah, that's another big one.
In that current, huh?
Yeah, I don't know what you gotta go to the gym for, buddy. You get to work out all over.
I just hit chest today too, bro. Them tries, man, them tries. Split shot.
Oh yeah. Probably a good little 28 or so. Maybe bigger actually. He's
I
long.
need 35 inch.
He's long.
I need 35 inch. Woo.
Can't extend it, dog.
I know, don't worry about it. Just work him in. He's fine. He good. He good. Hold on, hold on. Hold on.
I ain't gonna scoop for it, don't worry. Too many people do that.
Watch your feet. Gee, look it. Right, it popped. Right when you got it.
I hit the net right here.
All right, root check, guys. 0. Let's see what he weighs. Yeah. 6 something.
7 libras.
6 something, y'all. Almost 7. Oh, 7. Hold on. 681. 681. Let's go. I'm literally bouncing that off the bottom like I'm fishing for bass.
Covered more area.
Honestly, that's what you gotta do right now. Oh, this dude's gonna run. Look at that. Golly. Where you going, bro? Don't do that. Oh, I seen him already.
Whiskey Rebels showing us all up once again.
Feel like a... Oh, no.
That's what I feel about you guys.
I've heard that before. I made sure mine were charged today. I just gotta make sure I don't run an SD card. This dude is just surfing us in the top. He's pulling a little and he's coming straight to the bank again. He's coming straight in. Oh, never mind.
Almost.
Oh, he's a nice chunk.
Big one?
He's a good size. What'd you say about my mama? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. He's all right size. He ain't our biggest. I could kind of control him a little bit. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Triangle net, triangle net. Triangle net.
Yes, so. In and out.
Thank you. Damn. Yeah, I like that. Look at that, y'all. Another one. California Aqueduct bound. We're getting that money. We out here putting in work. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I have limit out. I probably could still fish. You're technically not supposed to, right? I can CNR. They're all little smelt hook shots. What should I do, guys? What should I do when they're biting this good? Catch and release. I think a lot of people be like, fuck that shit, I'll catch and release it. Waiting for Scott to hit the next one. I was honestly just bumping that off the bottom, debating. Boingo.
I lost my whole hook on that.
Nice flow out here. You guys can see there's a striper here. A lot of people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And there's more in the bridge too, so we'll see what happens. Come on. Scott's on. Got me on my lunch break again. Closing. Just in closing time.
As soon as I hook up, it rains.
Clockwork, baby. Yes.
Man, doing my biceps, I tore something right here. It's freaking killing me. I can't lift right with that arm. I can lift more with my left arm now.
All them burpees, bro. All them prison style workouts. Better start going to lifting weights, bro. Gotta build them fibers up. Don't get, stop eating all them cake pops, bro. He's down here. He's down here. He's running. Your line's right here where I could see it. So he's got to be like right in front of me. He's coming. Ooh, yeah. I like that. Drag zipping. Oh, you're gonna let that baby keep running? You're on his time. Scary, huh?
Yeah. So lightly, I wasn't 100%. I had the hook set all the way, you know?
Yeah, it's got.
I don't let no pressure off, but I want to let it run.
That's why I tell everybody the net job has got to be nice. Got to tire them out.
I love the fact that they're having more energy than usual, though, 'cause they would be taking
It's their cold water finally, and they got that weight on them.
Get him.
Come on, let's go.
Over here, it's got blue, look like.
Got a school running. Got a school running. Bendo. He's coming back to the middle. I ain't see him surface yet. Raindrops, raindrops. He hits the second one and raining, raining, raining.
God, tell me I'm back in sync.
You got a new battery in there?
Yeah.
All right, cool. I was like, oh man. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh, he's starting to get closer. Scott, what do you got on there? Akuma?
This is their new limited edition Wave off, baby.
Wave off?
Yeah, it changes colors the more you use it.
Oh shit.
It's pretty exciting.
I own 2 Akuma sticks that Scott got me on, and I like them, man. Got some nice action. You guys gotta check out the Akuma gear. There he is. He's a nice one.
2024 contract, bro. I got somebody might want to come.
I might have to do it, bruh.
Oh, he ain't as big as I thought.
He's still a nice one. Right in the neck.
Yeah, see, right
Look at that hook. Look at that hook. Woo!
But just not even all the way in.
Good one.